In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove age restrictions on YouTube app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then tap right here where it says You. After that, tap at that gear. At Settings, tap at General, and that's where we can easily find a restricted mode. Currently it is activated, so when this mode is active, it limits types of content that we can watch. This filter helps to hide potentially mature videos, and first off we can tap right here to turn it off. However, if you are still not able to see some specific types of contents, then I have another solution for you. And now we need to go to You page again, and now here we need to tap at Google account. Once the page is loaded, tap right here at Personal Info, and here we can easily find our birthday, and that's where your problem may be located. So you have to be at least 21 years old to view some specific types of content. So here, if you are less than 21 years old, you need to get in here, and here in order to change our birthday we can just change year. So make sure you set year so that it makes you 21 years old or older. Once it is done, tap right here at Done to apply the changes. Basically, guys, these are the two ways how you can easily remove age restrictions on YouTube app. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.